As industrial equipment continues to miniaturize and internal spaces become increasingly compact, connectors not only need to ensure stable connections, but also address challenges related to installation space and wiring efficiency. The CNLINKO LP Series 90-degree connector is specifically designed for the connection needs of compact industrial equipment, making device connections more efficient and reliable. Its 90-degree elbow design enables vertical wiring, saving installation space and optimizing layout. Featuring a patented, innovative 90-degree quick install structure, it is a winner of Red Dot and IF Design Awards, ensuring reliable, long-term operation. Its modular design allows flexible configuration for various devices, streamlining installation and maintenance to boost efficiency. Rated IP68 and IPX9K, it provides dual-sided waterproof protection. It withstands extreme temperatures, corrosion, and liquids, adapting to complex environments. The product has obtained international certifications such as UL, TUV, and CE. It offers both locking wire and soldering connection options, making it suitable for space-constrained equipment scenarios like humanoid robots and unmanned surface vehicles, meeting the long-term operational requirements of outdoor and industrial applications. In addition to the 90-degree elbow connection solution, CNLINKO also provides connection solutions for power, signal, data, hybrid, and cable assemblies. If you are looking for a reliable 90-degree connection solution, contact CNLINKO to get free samples. CNLINKO connectors ensure that every industrial-grade application has a reliable connection solution,